What's up, you guys? Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to pin videos to your TikTok profile like that video. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first open up your TikTok application, then go to your profile, tap here on your profile icon, and now scroll down until you find the video that you want to pin. I want to pin that video. I need to open up it first, and then to pin that video I need to tap here on three dots and there select pin. Now that video was pinned to my profile at the main page. Here it is, and you can pin there up to 3 videos. And if you want to pin another video, if 3 video is already pinned, you need to unpin one of that 3 video first to pin another. I hope this video helped you out, and let me know in the comments that it's worked for you.